Sysfi, ladies and gentlemen. So I can't run away from this platform. Any place I find myself on this space, I must see someone make a post about Sysfi, and I've decided to, well, maybe it's a call for me to look it up. So about this app, so it says, engage with Sysfi airdrop activities and explore new ecosystem updates. Welcome to Sysfi, your airdrop and community hub. Community engagement app designed to connect users with the Sysfi ecosystem. The app provides a simple way to participate in airdrop campaigns, complete community tasks, and stay updated on ecosystem developments. Without any further ado, let's launch it. Right, so allow notifications. Let's go with get started since I do not have an account ready. So here you provide your email address, choose a password, you confirm password, you paste the referral code. Please use my invite code. I will leave that for you in the pinned comment and also on the Telegram page. So you copy, you input it here, you check this box to accept terms of use, and of course accept privacy policy, and you click on create account. And you receive 50 WSYN welcome banners. So a link will be sent to your provided email address, so you will go and verify your address by simply clicking on the link. Your email has been verified. Now you go back to the app and it says email verified. Welcome aboard, taking you to the app. Let's go. So we are in, and let's look around. Token generation event. So SYN sparks will be automatically converted to SYN tokens at ratio of 1:1 during TGE. Keep earning to maximize your allocation. So my sparks so far, I've got 10. I thought you said I was receiving 50. What happened though? So there is one update. So here is the Sysfi DAO official Twitter page, and I'm going to hit the follow button. That way you don't get to miss updates about the project. So here on the 30th of September, it says TG confirmed, listing confirmed, date logged November 25th. Airdrop campaign ends October 31st. Human verification begins November 1st. The long awaited moment is finally here. Our TG is logged, right? So guys, we have a limited amount of time. They have a followership of 30.8k. This page was created in November 2024, right? So they have a great community for a new project. We are currently on home. All right, this is my ID. Pre-TGA phase is active. Important. Syn sparks are placeholder tokens for the upcoming Syn airdrop. Report the bug, suggest a future, share your feedback. All right, so let's go to task. There is daily task 5. There is like and retweet. You get 3 sparks. There is like and retweet 3 sparks, 2 sparks. So mint and alpha NFT join the soul club. So these are the different tasks. Daily tasks. Let's check the social task. One-time task. Complete task once to earn SYN. Join Telegram. Follow X. Join Discord. Follow Instagram. Subscribe to YouTube. Well, let's go. So after joining, let's say the Telegram task, you come back and click on verify. The claim button will come. Then you click on claim, and you receive the corresponding rewards. And you move on to the next one, and the status is completed. Alright, so after completing the task, there is the daily reward. This is more like a mining session, and I just joined and I've claimed 0.15 SYN spark, and my streak is 1 day because I'm just starting. So for day 2, I'll get 1, day 3, 1.5, day 4, 2, and day 9, 6.5. So I've completed the task, both the daily task and the social task, but I'm seeing 6 over 7 completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where is the reward for the last one? Let me refresh. It hasn't changed. So I've earned 60 SYN sparks from the social task, and of course I've earned some that is not readily displayed here on the daily task. Now back to my home page. Am I expecting to see my balance? Oh yeah, it says I've got 82.5 sparks earned so far. So the farming here, this is where you mine, and your daily streaks we actually bring in bonuses for you. Then the last on the menu bar here is the refer. So this is where you can copy your invite code or get the link and share, and you get 10 SYN sparks per friend, right? So I haven't invited anyone, so I've got 0 SYN token from affiliate. Novice navigator plus 100 spark. My referral milestone, there is nothing here. I haven't attained this here, but it says if I get 5 referrals, I'll receive 100 sparks. I'll get 150 for being an onboarder for referring 10 persons, and decentralization advocate for referring 15 persons. And this have their different rewards, as you can see, all the way to the Dow Legend. You receive 1.5 sparks after referring 1,000 persons. So let's see, there is a menu at the top left here. Let's check it out. All right, so here you can find your user ID and your referral code, your status. I'm a starter, right? I just signed up. So the human verification has not started. I think they said KYC will start after the airdrop event has come to an end, and that should be in November, right? So you have now till the end of October to do the best you can and acquire as many SYN tokens as you can while you can, right? And your tokens, which is otherwise called sparks here, will be converted to SYN, which is the actual token at the ratio of 1:1. So it means whatever it is that you have accumulated here on your balance will be directly migrated to the actual token, which will be tradable on the 25th of November. That's likely more than 1 month from now, right? So all you need to do right now is complete task, refer people, and farm. Those are the different ways to acquire sparks here, right? So that will basically be all for now. I do not own this project, so just stumbled across it, and since it's free and present the opportunity of earning free cryptocurrency that will be valuable in the future, I've decided to give it a look and also carry you guys along. So my code is in the pinned comment and also on the Telegram page. You can copy it, or you can just use the link and the code will be embedded when you download the app. Thanks so much and do have a wonderful moment. Bye bye.